Are you struggling with mucus and phlegm? These common bodily substances, while essential in our bodies, can sometimes be a nuisance when their production goes into overdrive. From that annoying post-nasal drip to the feeling of obstruction in your airways, mucus and phlegm can truly disrupt your day. They might even be signs of underlying health concerns. But fear not, we have 9 easy ways to help you get rid of mucus and phlegm. Firstly, it's crucial to stay hydrated. Adequate hydration can thin out stubborn mucus and phlegm, making it easier to expel. This is because water lubricates your respiratory tract, ensuring smoother passage for the mucus. So drink up. Secondly, consider using a humidifier. This handy device can add much-needed moisture to your environment, soothing your throat and helping to loosen mucus and phlegm. The result? A more comfortable breathing experience. Remember, in the battle against congestion, moist air means easier breathing. Thirdly, warm liquids can be your best friend. They soothe that scratchy throat while dissolving the pesky mucus and phlegm. Think of it as a gentle internal steam cleaning for your respiratory system. So, maybe it's time to brew some herbal tea. Fourthly, over-the-counter expectorants can be helpful. These substances work by thinning the mucus in your airways. This makes it easier for you to cough it up and clear your lungs. Remember to always follow the label's instructions. Fifthly, steam inhalation can work wonders. It's a simple yet effective technique. The warm, moist air helps to break down and loosen mucus and phlegm, making it far easier to expel. It's an age-old remedy that's still relevant today. Inhale steam, exhale relief. Sixthly, it's important to avoid irritants. Smoky environments and dusty areas can aggravate the situation, leading to an increase in mucus and phlegm production. These irritants can inflame your airways, causing them to produce more phlegm. Steer clear of irritants for clearer airways. Seventhly, a saltwater gargle can be quite effective. This age-old remedy soothes the throat, providing immediate relief. The saline solution works wonders by dislodging mucus and phlegm, making it easier to expel. Remember, it's just a gargle, not a gulp. Gargle your way to relief. Eighthly, a healthy diet plays a key role. Nourishing your body with fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can strengthen your immune system. This fortified defense mechanism can effectively combat infections that result in mucus and phlegm. So remember, eat well, breathe well. Lastly, regular exercise helps a lot. Engaging in moderate, consistent physical activity strengthens your immune system and promotes better circulation. This helps to clear your airways, making it easier to cough up mucus and phlegm. So remember, stay active, stay clear. There you have it, 9 easy ways to get rid of mucus and phlegm. Remember, whether it's staying hydrated, using a humidifier, or exercising regularly, consistency is key. Each step, be it sipping warm liquids, using expectorants, steam inhalation, avoiding irritants, gargling with salt water, or maintaining a healthy diet plays a vital role. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another. Always consult with a healthcare professional if your symptoms persist. Breathe easy, everyone.